Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare whitening face mask or anti-aging face mask for glowing skin. So here I'm going to show you how to prepare the face mask and how to use it on your face. These are the ingredients right now on your screen. You can see it's very easy and so simple and quick. You can prepare it at home with the household things. Only two things you require here for the face mask is corn flour, or you can say cornstarch, and the yogurt. I already took 2 spoons of corn flour and then I added 1 spoon yogurt because I want to mix it very well, and then I took the second spoon now so that I can mix it very well. You have to make it very fine, smooth paste. Mix it well, and it should be thicker so that when you will apply on your face, it will not run out from your face. Mix it very well. So here it is ready. You need this face mask brush to apply it on the face, and you can see how to apply it on your face here. But before applying on your face, please wash your face with any face wash, and then you can apply the face mask so that all the dirt will remove, and then your face is very clean. That time you can apply so that you will get all the good benefits from the face mask. In this face mask you require only corn flour and yogurt. Corn flour removes surface dirt and impurities and makes your skin clean, clear and glowing. The vitamin A present in corn flour fade brown spots, sunspots and dark patches. It has anti-aging properties. Yogurt reduces wrinkle and fine lines, fights acne, fades blemishes and pigmentation, reduces dark circles, treats skin infection, soothes the sunburn. So especially for the brightening skin, this will help you very good. You can see in this video, after washing her face, you can see the brightness on her face, glowing skin. I hope you guys will like it and try to prepare at home and apply it for yourself. It is very good for your skin. These are natural ingredients, so no need to worry to prepare and apply for yourself. And for better result, you can try it twice in a week. If you cannot find the time, at least once in a week, so that your skin will be healthy. I hope this video is useful for you guys. We tried this for ourselves and we got a very good result, so I'm trying to share my knowledge with you so that it may help you to get a clear skin. After applying, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, the face mask, and wash it with only water. Don't apply any face wash or soap on your face after washing face mask. It's been 20 minutes now and it got dried already. So now we are going to wash it. She is done with her face wash. You can see her face, it's glowing and showing white. So it's very important after you wash your face, you have to apply any gel or moisturizer on your face. This is gel what I'm going to apply on her face. Don't avoid. This is very important after washing your face mask. She got very good glow on her face and is showing white. I hope you guys like my video. Please try it at home and you can comment in the comment box how you feel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and you can comment below how you feel. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you with the new video. Bye.